Hello and welcome to Chopped.
I'm Chef Sab.
I am Chef Madison Newcomb.
So today we're going to be doing a chopped style cooking competition.
And these ingredients were picked by my brother. And Sabrina's ingredients were picked by her brother.
So the winner is going to be decided by our brothers. So we're going to have categories. So they're going to pick 1 out of 10 for presentation, taste, cohesiveness, how all the ingredients go together, and then the overall dish / would eat again. This is my brother Sebastian. He's going to introduce the ingredients one by one.
Okay, so the first ingredient we have is an apple.
Ooh, an apple.
Any thoughts you could do with this?
Dessert.
Let's go. Next up, eggs.
Interesting. Something bakey, perhaps? But I can't use outside help, so I'm gonna guess on measure.
Can't you like Google something?
Can't use outside help.
You can't Google at all?
No outside help.
No recipe, okay. Then the
That
third?
defeats the purpose. I'm a master chef.
You're a I don't believe you.
That's how I got on Chopped.
Okay, the third one is rice.
Ah.
Fun. The final one is tortilla chips.
Initial thoughts. You have to eat it.
Okay. So I'm thinking nachos. An egg. A single egg. Egg nachos. Okay. Egg and apple nachos. Rice. So rice and egg nachos with a side of apple with a dessert finish of apple cinnamon stuff. I could do like a stir fry and then crumple the stuff on these guys on the top. Because stir fry has egg. Or apple salad on the side of the stir fry. I think I'm gonna go with the stir fry. I feel like that's better than egg nachos.
Alright, I'm setting the 45-minute timer. That is our limit, 45 minutes. Let's go. Alright, I have a little bit of an idea. My mom is filming, but she cannot be outside help. But she wants to be outside help, but no outside help. Those are the rules. And no looking things up. First, we have to make the rice, because that's gonna take the longest. Don't really know how to make rice. There's way too much water. She's making a face. You're being outside help. You're being outside help. That's too much water, right? Don't be outside help. But like, be outside
Don't
help.
ask me questions if you don't want me to answer.
Whatever. I'm going with this much water. If it's bad, so be it. Who cares? Whatever. Wonderful. I'll set that for I don't know how long. Yeah. I want to make pancakes because you can put eggs in them, and then I'll make some sort of rice pudding that I don't know how to make with apples and cinnamon and syrup on top. That's my idea. So, let's do it. How do you feel about my recipe that I...
Amazing.
1 cup of pancake mix, and then 3/4 of a cup of water. How about just 3/4? Just of a cup if you do this. Aha, this one says 3/4.
Ready, set, go!
Dad, stop helping. You're not allowed to help me at all. Chicken, broccoli, Brussels sprouts first ingredient used. I'm gonna fry up the egg to put into the stuff. So while the pan is heating up, I'm gonna make a salad to put the apple in. Ensalada. Feel frazzled. Egg time. Do you think I'll need more than 1 egg for the rice? I feel like I will. 2 eggs. The best way to make eggs.
Smash them.
When you make stir fry, this is just now occurring to me. Maybe you're supposed to just like put the egg in there, like not cooked, and then it gets cooked.
I've never made stir fry before.
I don't know.
Okay, this is the smallest egg. I want the least impact. The egg.
I need to teach you how to cook before you go to college.
I can cook. This is like, I can cook with normal things. I just don't know how to make rice. But normally I could just look up how to make rice. So this doesn't reflect my cooking
No,
abilities.
you make it in the rice cooker.
Yeah, but I wasn't gonna make it in the rice cooker because we still have rice in there, don't we?
I think so.
From lunch. So I couldn't make it in the rice cooker. But I couldn't use that. That's outside help.
I know.
I'm gonna make them cinnamon pancakes. Because then maybe able to mask the taste of egg if it ends up tasting like egg. Ooh, that looks good.
I think my egg is ready. It's looking nice and together. Wow.
Look at that.
So next I'm gonna chop up some veggies. I don't know why, but I feel so like anytime there's like a timer on me at all, like it could be like 6 hours and then it's like it just started and I'm like, stop helping.
You said you needed a sugar snap piece.
Yes, but you got me a bunch of other stuff.
What?
You can't help me. I'm not actually being helped because Grant just put away all the stuff that my mom took out. But I'm cutting up Brussels sprouts. I don't know if you usually put Brussels sprouts in stir fry, but it's gonna be in my stir fry.
I'm gonna use like this much of the apple. Maybe like a tad more. I'm gonna cut it into small little chunks. So I made them little chunks of apples. And I'm gonna add that to the rice pudding concoction that I make later. How long do we have on the rice? Let's look. 7 minutes. Okay, let's make the pancakes then. I think I'm gonna make like 2 pretty decently sized pancakes and then I'll stack them on each other. And then I'll put the rice pudding stuff on it. Yeah? Should I put the rice pudding separate? No, because that defeats the purpose. It's like a rice pudding maple syrup. Cinnamon apple tortilla chip. Does this look decently? No, they're hard and the water's gone. Therefore, we need more water. Deductive reasoning.
I think I need soy sauce because I feel like there's always soy sauce on stir fry. Maybe I'm wrong. If I am wrong, I'm not wrong because cooking is just experimentation.
Wow. Smart. Less than 30 minutes.
That's a lot of egg.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's pretty good. Look at that. Look at that array of colors. Wonderful.
What if I make whipped cream instead? And then I'll put the rice in the whipped cream. We will have a whipped rice pudding with tortilla chips. Okay, the only thing throwing me off in my plan here is the tortilla chips. But if I shake off the salt, it'll just be like a nice crunch. I'm a decent pancake maker. I'm gonna put some apples in here. So it's like apple cinnamon pancakes. This is the part that's wrong. It seems wrong. Take a moment to breathe. To think. That's it. We already have whipped cream. Wonderful. Yay. My plan with the rice pudding is if I put enough sugar, maybe you won't taste the rice. Yummy! These look alright. How are you doing? Okay. I'll let you be, because I'm not sure what you're up to. So I'm gonna put some maple syrup, some cinnamon. Pancakes are gonna be a little bit appley, but these are gonna be apple city right here. Maddie Snapchatted me. She knows I'm winning.
Now, soy sauce.
And messy.
That's not important. A real chef makes a mess. Ooh, that's looking like something. Okay, but like, that's pretty good, right? Yeah. I've got all the veggies and chicken in here, and it's actually a good ratio, you know? Like, it looks pretty good, I think. I'm gonna make a salad.
Apple. Okay, I'm gonna get a spoon. Actually, I need a plate. Half the presentation. I need to do a nice presentation because that's the name of the game. Ooh, that would theoretically mean the rice is done, but I don't know if that means the rice is done. I'm gonna feel it. I'm gonna taste one. Hard. Interesting. Ooh, I smell burning. Are you burning? No, that looks fine. I can see my apple pockets. I'm gonna put this like that. Another one's gonna go right on top of it. Okay, second pancake on. Gonna mix up this like whipped cream, maple syrup, apple concoction. That will soon have rice in it. Yeah, that just tastes like sugar. That just tastes like sugar and apples. That's pretty good. I'm gonna wipe some salt off my selected tortilla chips. Feel about my dish so far?
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Do you think it's gonna
Amazing.
take decent?
First prize.
Thank you. Oh my god. Ooh, that's okay. We'll hide that part. We'll hide it. No worries. That looks good. Woohoo. Do perfect. I'm gonna fix it. Now a little one right here. I want to do like they do on those like lattes. Look at that, ladies and gents. Do we like?
That's amazing.
Thank you, Mom. This is pretty decent. I kind of like this. It tastes like pure sugar. So, if you're into that kind of thing, I guess. Well, we'll be back when the rice maybe cooks.
So I have spinach and kale in here, and then romaine lettuce and some carrots, and then I'm gonna add, oh, the apple. I feel like it's just good with this, and then you can add dressing, you know? Salad, tasting. That's pretty good, actually. I use more soy sauce though.
15 minutes.
Ah!
Cole's like, hello?
Hi, Cody. I think that is good, and I'm gonna add maybe some spices. This is where things get dicey, because I don't know how to use spices. I feel like peppers in literally everything, so I feel like that's a pretty safe. I think I'm gonna add a little parsley for fun. Some garlic. Is that a good idea? And we're gonna stir it all in. Oh my god. Actually, that's actually really good if I do say so myself.
As everything falls out.
I'm making a mess. Now I have to plate it. Okay, yeah, that looks good. And then, the little heart. Ta-da! Okay. Grant likes good brunch dressing. 7 minutes. Aha! Okay. Just kidding.
Falling apart.
It's okay. Everything is still okay. I can fix it. Okay, let's try this one more time. Oh! Ah! god. Oh no. 4 minutes. I'm gonna sprinkle it along the edge. That's what I'm gonna do. I forgot about this ingredient. I know that I seem like the perfect chef. I make no mistakes. I create the most bizarre dishes that are incredible. Really, works of art. I think that you could call me the best chef, but I don't know if you could call me the most sanitary chef. Okay, honestly,
2 minutes and 50 seconds.
I'm done. But I can't be done because I have 2 minutes left. This is the final touch. I think it adds a lot. 3, 2, 1. Chop!
We have 7 minutes left for me to finish this. This is what the rice looks like right now. It's brown rice, by the way. And that looks more like what rice should look like. I'm gonna try one. Hey, that's soft, yay! Okay, I'm just gonna put a decent amount of rice because I don't wanna be a wimp and not use the ingredients that I was given. Mix that into my whipped creamy. Ooh, that got really watery really fast. It's because it's hot, I guess?
Probably.
Probably. I'm gonna put this. Let's drain the water and just put the rice-ish. Okay, I think that looks kind of pretty. Then I put some cinnamon on the tortilla chips. So we're gonna sprinkle them on here for a nice little tortilla crunch. And then this deflated. We have 4 minutes, by the way. So I'm gonna do a new one here. And that one's gonna be a little bigger. And then for funsies, here for decoration, a little there for fun flavor. Really steadily try to drop this out. Ooh. That looks pretty good. Wonderful. We have, by the way, 3 minutes left. Yeah. Nino, it's time. Your meal is ready. Come.
I don't like the smell.
Come.
What did you make?
I have prepared for you today
Ooh.
pancakes. Apple cinnamon pancakes with a nice rice pudding, whipped cream, cinnamon topping, and then some nice garnishes on the side with a crispy cinnamon tortilla chip.
You really struggled to find the way to fit
Crispy
it.
cinnamon tortilla chip.
Okay, well this is way better than I thought you were gonna do.
Initial impressions. Initial impressions. Mama, can you get what the plate itself looks like? This is what it looks like. Up close and personal. I would say that's pretty decent.
Currently, I would give this, I will not say a 10, but I give it like an 8.
Then write 8 for
Like
presentation.
it's very good, so I will say an 8.
Okay, great.
So the final reveal. This is our dish, my dish. It is a vegetable stir fry with a chip crumble to add a crunch, a side salad with an apple side salad with ranch dressing because I know that is your favorite. You may taste.
Well, I have to present first.
Oh, you have to score
So-
presentation. Yeah.
For the score of presentation, I like the little moon and sun kind of thing going on here. That looks kind of cool. So it's a cool idea. This part is a little haphazard. It's probably just because of the stir fry. It looks a little strange, but I like the all-togetherness of it, the overall theme. So I'm gonna give it an 8.
Is it good?
It's actually not that bad. I actually thought it'd be way worse. It's really good. I have to go for a second bite.
Oh, we're going for a second bite. Wow.
We're going for a second thing. But overall, not bad. It's very cinnamony.
That's what I was going for cinnamon and everything.
So they're very cinnamony. The entire thing, like it's literally, you were right. You put it in everything and it shows. I would say taste overall, I would give it a 9. It's not bad.
Wow.
It's not perfect if you had just put in more water and probably not the egg.
But I had to use the
Yeah,
egg.
so you had to use the egg. But in the future, if you ever make this again, don't
If I ever
use
make
it.
pancakes,
If you ever make pancakes again,
Follow
don't.
the box.
Follow the box recipe. I would say a 9. It actually is very
are you being
nice.
generous or are you being real?
I'm being realistic. You can
Okay.
try some if you want.
No.
That's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I really like it.
Yay!
I really like the eggs actually. And the chips add a cool crunch. Like I like that. I like the flavor of the Tostitos with it. I think it goes very well. I mean, it's a good salad. Any salad with ranch is good, so. But I liked the amount of apple was good. And the mix of the kale was good because I don't love kale, but you did a good amount of both of them. Overall taste, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10.
Wow.
Cohesiveness. Do the ingredients work together? I don't love the rice.
I don't know why, but like, okay.
And the tortilla chips, well, it adds a nice crunch. I don't think it really necessarily needs to be there.
But do they go together?
Do they work? Yes.
That's the question.
It is food, and it is good food. So they do work.
Good food.
So cohesiveness, I would say they do work together. You did very well in that aspect, but I will give you a 7.
Okay.
Well, the salad and the stir fry have very different, like, vibes, I guess. I don't know. Different taste categories. And that was probably a little strange because after eating the salad, putting more strength. The ranch of the salad doesn't go great with the stir fry, but the stir fry is so powerful by itself that it kind of just overtakes that flavor. So I wouldn't really complain about it, but probably not great together. All the vegetables that are put in it, I think work really well together with this, and I like the chips as well. Overall cohesiveness, I give an 8 because individually they go well great together, but the salad and the stir fry separately don't go perfect. I want more chips.
Okay.
And then overall dish, would I eat it again? Is this just straight or yes or no? I can't rank would I eat it.
Would I eat it again? 0? Absolutely not. Would I eat it again? 10? For sure. Would I eat it again? 5? Probably not, but like maybe.
It was enjoyable enough where I would, if given the option, and like there wasn't like French toast or like regular pancakes and stuff like that, I would actually probably eat it again. So I would say an 8.
If taken away options, you would eat it again? See, that means you would most likely order it. Is that true?
So would I order it at a restaurant? Probably.
Really?
Yeah, it's not bad. It really isn't that bad.
Okay.
My expectations may be way worse. Go ahead. I expected this to
You
be.
can put an 8 if you think it's true.
I think it is an 8. I think you did very well given this scenario.
Wow.
And then would I eat it again? 10 out of 10, yes, I would eat it again.
Yeah.
All right. Now it's time to see who won.
And the winner is...
It was hard. It was tough competition. She really put in a fight there, and I respect her for it.
I am the winner. I am the winner of Chopped, and I would just like to thank my family, my friend Sabrina for losing, and everyone else. Love you. Subscribe.